Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about how to set systematic investments to your NPS account. Go to Google and enter NPS virtual account creation. You can find the CRA-NSDL link. Click virtual account creation. This is the virtual account registration page. Enter your PRAN number. Enter your date of birth. You have two options to verify, SMS and email. Select either one. Here I will select SMS and then enter CAPTCHA. Then click here to verify PRAN. Click here to send OTP. The OTP will be sent to a registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Click here to submit. So here your virtual account number is displayed. This is your virtual account number. You can see the tire type and you can see the virtual account status. Add of a virtual account as beneficiary. So this is the addition of virtual account as beneficiary URL page. The link I will give it in description. So here the steps are mentioned here. The login to net banking, enter your account details, virtual number, account number, and IFSC code. Then set standing instructions. For tier 1 and tier 2, you have to generate the separate virtual account number. Friends, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate to me to more financial videos. These are the particulars and details of the virtual account number. In net banking, you have to add the beneficiary name as per in your PRAN card. The beneficiary account number, the virtual number you generated it. Beneficiary account type is current account and beneficiary bank is Axis Bank, and IFSC code you have to enter it as shown it here. This is Jana Small Financial Bank login page. Here I will show the details how to add the beneficiary and set standing instructions. Go to send money, then click with other bank, then click here to add beneficiary. Enter the virtual account number here which you generated it. Re-enter the account number to confirm. Select account type, select current account. Enter the account holder name as per your PRAN card. Click the search button to enter the IFSC code. Enter the IFSC code. Then click here to select. So you will see the bank details. So click this button and then click submit. So verify a beneficiary name. Then click OK. Then click the checkbox. Enter the account short name for your reference. Here I will enter NPS virtual account. Click next. So once here you have to verify the details. Your account name, your virtual account number, then account type, then IFSC code. Then click confirm. You will get the OTP. So once received, enter it here. Then click verify. So you will get the notification. The payee will be activated in 30 minutes. Then you come back to manage beneficiary. Then click accounts with other bank. Payee verification is under process. Once added, you wait for at least 30 minutes to enable the beneficiary in your net banking portal. Then you are able to transfer funds to your NPS account. Now the account is enabled and verified. You can see the status has been changed to green, and you can also see the option, the send money option is available here. Click here to transfer funds. You can see three options. In that you can select NEFT. Select the account number, then scroll down, click this checkbox and enter the required amount you want to transfer. Enter the remarks. Here I have to enter the NPS transfer. Then here you see the three options, pay now, pay later and repeat. And the pay now means you have to transfer the funds this time only. And pay later means you have to transfer the funds later than the specific date. And then you have to see the third option. This is like SAP, repeat start date, repeat end date, and then frequency. So here I will enter the date. So I will select the 10th of every month. I will continue till 2030. December. So till from September 10/25 to 10 December 2030, the amount will debited in my bank account. Here now I will select the frequency. So these are the frequency options available. Here I will select every month the amount I want to debit in my account. Then click here to submit. So now you have to verify the details. So that what is the debit amount every month for transfer from your bank account to your NPS account, the repeat start date and the repeat end date. So once verified, click here to confirm. Once you set on the specific date, the amount will automatically debited from your bank account and buy units in your NPS account. And that's it about the video, friends. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.